Alright, YouTubers, I got questions for you, and like I try everything. Like I open up my Xbox, and like I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to open my Xbox. I just want one of you to tell me what I need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of diagnose this shit, and let me know in the comments what I should do. Okay. Alright, so first off, I have the Xbox 360s, and like evidently every game I put in there, every game, no doubt, I put in there don't work. Like either it freezes, or like either like this note comes up and it says like unrecognizable disk, and some of these are new. Like, so I buy new ones fresh out the package. I put it up in the box, and it say like it froze. So yeah, so I know it's not the game, and underneath the game it's no scratches, none. So I'm pretty sure it's an Xbox, but y'all need to tell me in the comments which one I should do, what I need to do. So let me demonstration of what happened. So like I push this Call of Duty Ghosts, and let me look. It's a brand new disc. Hold up. Alright, let me try again. So I go and click on it, and I'm like, oh, it's going good, it's going good. And all of a sudden, something pops up. Alright, maybe not this time. Alright, right now it's letting me do it, but usually if it does let me do it, I be playing the game and then freeze up in the game, and then it kicks me off to the front screen. But sometimes I click on it and like it just pops up right away. Like I ain't gotta wait. It just pops up like that. Look at that. See, I clicked on the icon in the corner, and this unrecognizable disc. The disc is unrecognizable. Clean the disc with the soft cloth. Restart the console. Yeah, whatever. And restart the console. Solid. And for me, for more help, visit xbox.com/support or whatever. But like I don't got time to go to that website. You know what I'm saying? I don't got time to go to that website. I just need y'all YouTube people, since y'all smart and y'all have Xboxes, come help me, man. Come on. Alright, let me know. Let me hear what you want me to say in the comments. What I need to do. Cause I really don't feel like going to the store and trying to like waste money on this bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So leave a message.